For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is getting powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times.co.za. Scholarships 2, Magesi 0 in the Betway Premiership. Scholarships number 4, Amazulu number 3 in the Betway Premiership table. Maybe the battle is that between Amazulu's Kukuna and Chiefs for the team that's going to be number 3. For Magesi, they sink deeper and deeper into a quagmire. They have 9 more matches to save their status, or they go to the National First Division, the Motsepe Foundation Championship. They have a lot to think about. They don't look like they're going to get themselves out, but maybe if they get 2 or 3 more wins from the 9, they can at least qualify for the playoffs. We shall see. For Kaizer Chiefs, goal in the first half, goal in the second half. Not a good second half, really, in terms of gameplay, but a very good first 20 minutes. So, Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs winger, what did you think of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
TJK.
You always call him TJK.
Yeah, Brian Balu. Fana na Brian. Fana na liya Khotman la mo Brian.
TKJ.
Yeah, fana no Brian Qish. Ngibulise Benedict Sovilakazi.
Yes, sir.
Bobzin.
Yes, sir.
Mncithu mastermind. Ngibulise u Shane.
Yes, sir.
Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Mani zolithi ngibonge mani Gauteng department for the whatever the event. About to support the event, end of fire, so I was there, invited as well. Also thank the social development. It was nice. Parakwana Hospital as well. Yeah, Ituguruleni district, I think it was nice. Very good initiative. I think even my youngsters, they've learned. Also former player, Ditlake Masters, the director, Ditlake Masters, Jens Integren, Chata Labachi, Dibashanganisa Bumle, Vuyo, Michael Gambu, the list goes on. El Rato Shabang, they won a tournament, Abachi, Danama was part of them. But thanks for the invite after all. But the sure. I think it was top notch. In fact, well done to Lesh, the director of Ditlake Masters, then science Ukraine. Going to
Is that why you can afford Lacoste?
That's why.
Is that why you suddenly can afford branded clothing, expensive clothing?
That's why. It's because of you.
The department, if you make money from the department, back guys 100,000. Cost.
No, I mean, okay,
let's go to the game.
Yeah.
Very good first 20 minutes for Kaizer Chiefs. It was really poor in second half. I couldn't believe it. And also we go back to this problem at Chiefs. Mabakora won. It doesn't look like they will score the second one.
Yeah. It didn't go to overall a game. Honestly speaking, well done to Kaizer Chiefs for winning the game 2-0. I mean, they are very under pressure. Sure. Taxi easy. I know psychologically they are very under pressure. Pela is not a good thing which is number 3. We can just shine on number 3. Masngaba for the history of the team. We can't compliment which is number 3. Now they need to say go excuse okay, it's fine if we go number 3. We might go and be totally confetti. That's a good thing. But well done for them. Jobangisho, they are very under pressure. Everybody is expecting Chiefs to play very well. Going to the game, Jayong, first 25 minutes, Chiefs. After Skate City creating so many chances, more than 15 chances in 25 minutes. Well done to Chiefs. Special Babi Compose on the box. I think Uchipezeza was a different, also in decision making. Abom two on the ball, ngibona lo mfana inkosi ngiphile ngoba join boxing. In my case, how they defend as well, it's in opposition. Very poor. Honestly, lama team fethu tabe kuphethe premiership uzibuza nje ama question. Mara I think when last did they win their game?
October. 4 months.
How many coaches they had? They had John Maduka.
Ndagama, once upon a time.
Yes. Director, Naimele Mchitangmazo Khotmani, wherever is. I think many balloons office labo now. Uchekili Tobi Aucham, Nyaz is the general manager. Many balloons in the office labo. Honestly speaking, now in Alain Freeze. Alain Freeze, I know he was a coach that was at Platinum Stars. He went there and Orlando Mgwena. After that, he disappeared 2 years in South African football. Now I am later fight relegation. When I looked at team sheet there, players that they had, I think, honestly speaking, I'm not saying these players are because man check how they defend. I want to choose Kaizer Chiefs labo. How they defend, I think very poor. honestly speaking. I mean, the wrong decision they ayithathile ukuthi ayisele ibhola wide. He could go direct there. Bebamdlalisa as a striker today. I think this guy Utuba going on the right hand side, Modi on the left hand side. Always ngihlale ngizibuza why is in the place. But ile contradicted it's a must play. For me, akana any reason ukuthi adlale. Also, this boy ungimbone namhla on song first 25 minutes I think was very influential. Honestly, ngikhuluma ngoSimphiwe Ngcobo, joining on the box, decision making, creative pace, lama pockets lawa. And iChiefs bengicala ukuyibona idlala ngama pocket. Today they were doing it honestly. And lo mfana lo Utuba good first touch. I think le ball edlala lapha. Ube dynamic lapha yana. Dropping the shoulder, dynamic. Because usebenzisa speed sakhe vele kumele edlale according to his strengths. It's not a dribbling wizard that boy, but une speed into ekumele adlale ngayo. Put the ball behind the defense udlule, and then into I mean advantage to you. I think what direct, but poor for me. Honestly, the goalkeeper. I need to be honest.
Chipezeza.
No, poor. Chipezeza ngaba korela umekho. No, go first pole, and then the ball uyalala. Why angamili mshayisa isifuba ke? Why diving it? Ngiyazbuza. And then after she's scoring, now I don't understand. Suddenly they lose so many balls. And Miguel was lucky to be in the game, honestly. Too many fouls, unnecessary. I understand why. Lapayani Chiefs is a final about Chita. They pass the ball, play short pass, look beautiful. Now miss pass from this guy who thought Solomon, and then Badala behind him, wide, halfway center. And then why this guy you had to hold him? Uchena kanjani ngawe? Why uba tight naye ube ifawuna speed? There was somebody central that close naye this guy ngespeed mhlawumbe uFabian beyanga lo mfana kaMakhathi beyanga khavela. So now why getting a foul? Nakhona why the center? I mean it's poor for me the way are defending a corner. And
I think it deserved the second yellow in the second half.
Yes, I say because kunala second we literally behind. Nakona still a center away, and also mention something very important. Uyelana one on one. Nakona this guy uyambona drop to the center ufuna the spaces behind. Umlandelile mention something very important. It's also uyambona ukuthi umdala ngalento ayikhulumile. You understand? Because I want number 1 yamo. Awungana speed kuba ne space oshiyayo. Should anything happen this guy ngizomthusa nje, maybe scream or whatever acabanga ukuthi ngilayiduze yabo, or I'll send mabuye ngeke this guy drop umabuya ameke nje if I stay mina now the yamlandele, and then this guy makaflika le ball become dangerous. So I think Chiefs after scoring the goal these guys they were coming because the ball did mabathena ngaye uMikel lapha. This guy ibhola, I mean the pitch imvula isincincile nje le game honestly. I will say to you ngokuthi ine uyayibona ipitch smooth but belibamba ngoba this guy bekambile la. Bekube 1v1. The guy ulithuli bekambile ngule because this guy is literally was a dangerous player. You understand?
Yeah, it's actually one of the hopes. Masikhuluma ngemageso ukuthi how are they going to survive?
Yeah.
It's him that I'm thinking of that. Ithemba labo likuye because he created chances ngo Miguel.
Yeah.
I'm sure in other games he's not going to get stupid defenders who allow him to do as he please. But if you look at Magesi, maybe you need 2 more Lutulis to help them going forward.
I mean this guy is Spanion off.
Yeah.
This poem Sadi off. Vandal is off.
Yeah.
Mariba is a defensive midfield. I won't say much from him. But now ngifuna ukubabona manini midfield baba involve. Ngikhuluma midfield yabo. But the bona they believe to get the goal. Azange badlale being expect to bazodlala the way they play against Sundowns or Pirates to play low block, but they play the open game. How I see it, transition, but badlala speed. But Umsadi failed. Honestly, if I can be honest with you, Umsadi failed them. This guy,
Spanione, Vandala,
Spanion, they failed them. Honestly, it's only this boy literally, I will say, compliment to the boy. It did everything fit. A very dangerous player. I think njoba ngisho mina second half bekumele lithole futhi enye ibhuku. Kaizer Chiefs, I think after getting a goal, now they were under pressure. I don't understand for ngoba kude bhola. It's a diagonal from these guys. Balibuyisa le bhola nge first time nge left foot. Badlala on the left. A wing back uyalibuyisa. It was a goal. I mean, honestly speaking, I think he will truly. Ni 3 in Makazonal. It's a goal. Ni 3 in Makazonal. Poor defending from Kaizer Chiefs. It's a goal because pume phambi kwebhali this ball. And then second half, I think coach wenza ama changes. well done ubring userini isikhathi sesekhona ayibholela zamboni confident ayikho also Mfundo Vilakazi, this is what the boy need to do. I know ukuthi bebadlala neposition poor. We need to be honest, these guys, they are poor how they defend, but break ayiphase one. I mean kunala umduba amdlala ibhola ubheke how they defended, they push all the way. If umntu knew is alone there, it's a goal. But Chiefs, they deserve to win the game, honestly.
Yeah, just going back on Umfundo Vilakazi, assist last week, a goal this week as well.
Into ekumele azenzele yona is not good taking somebody on. He received the ball, laying the ball. I think it's dangerous. He received the ball, njengale ball. I think he mischarged the ball, the cross. I'm not too sure. So I think Munyane Solomon or Puma Munyane or whoever. It's a cross, one mischarger, one miskick. I mean, the defenders, they were looking there, but Obanara arrogant to go or finish with the weaker foot, which is right. Nyawlake, you can't see Axi Nyawlake. Well done to the boy. But in the grand, Axumuntu was Tata Wandumfan. Simple. Ukwazi une basic wena boy unale skills sokuma, which is team my leader, you can do those things, but you can't do those things in leader one need, you understand. But in the ends are right man, he received the ball laying, because if there's a space here and whoever that is telling him them to do that to Kaizer Chiefs, I think he must continue ukuthi just support him every time he got the ball. Bacabanga ukuthi uzomlanda umuntu, they will backpedal. And then these guys, they sit. Last week, who created a chance so, and then they finish. Now today we enzile. Serino,
yeah.
The confidence was not there. And then une basic ekren. The boy knows how to. He's technically very good. Agana speed. Akusumuntu kwazi ukulanda abantu. Iyo ngithi talent unalo ngihlale ngiphinda. Azange bamgelezise these things abo 1v1. Akusinto ayifundile, and it's unfortunate said mfethu yambona uzijampile, but a natural talent skill unaso mfana. So I think he must continue with that. Basic, mangabe kune space ke ungaya ngoba une technical grip if there's a hole, but continue just laying. Or if kune run, namhlanje kune run engiyibonile from deep and then he played, and then baza bafaka Silva, not much on the game, I need to be honest. Liepo Central ngimbonile bamdlalisa sort of as a striker, like I said to you. Can he create a space for himself? In decision making, phela ayimodlala pha mele u10 shoot 1 week. I think it downfall yakhe ma10 sometimes lay movement of the ball, ma draw it to I think your teammate can score. But well done to, I think Chiefs, they deserve, honestly.
Let's wrap it up. One more question. We're running out of time.
Yeah.
How does Chiefs keep consistency in matches? Because when they scored the first goal, I suspected, you suspected, so suspected ukuthi ngaba igoli lokugcina. And you could see that the game was here and then it drops. Against Durban City, they brought Durban City back into the game. They score and then they kind of, I don't know whether they relax or they want to defend the goal, but they are here and then they go down. How do they maintain consistency throughout if they are leading to score a second and third and fourth goal?
You mean to maintain you mean to the game, but maybe it's mhlambe it's hold on man. To maintain the game, standards a game. Yeah, I think to maintain the standards a game. Mfethu Kaizer Chiefs in Tekmele bazenzele yona, I think the favor.
Because they give the, sorry to cut you, they give the opposition itemba. If you remember Durban City, batoli itemba lokuthi oh nikorile, but now you are defending, or now you are not as dangerous in front of goal. So they give the hope to Imagesi here, because Magesi were never out of the game because Chiefs is only 1-0 up. If they score, it's going to be 1-1. So how do they keep... Because if you learn the Sundowns, they kill your hope. They score 1 and then they 2 and then say, the game is over. Pirates, they have that element at the beginning of the season where they can score 2 goals. It's like, the game is over. We're not in the game. With Chiefs, you are always in the game because once they score 1, they drop the standard.
Yeah, it's a game management. Yeah, just being funguibia kanjalo. Yeah, man, the quality of players. If they can move the ball quick, basic accuracy on passes of movement of the ball, you've got quality players certain areas, I think they can manage the game. But this squad sabo njobangisha, I don't think they've got players who can do that. Bahamba bahambe kube nolaba phelela khona. Because they rely to certain players. Honestly, they rely to Liepo that is going to score each and every week for us. If Liepo Kakuri, maybe Mdu, he can get a goal sometimes. Or defender can get a goal. Nobody that is consistent upon this guy over Korea. Ngobu Silva doesn't score. Angisakhumbuli when did he last? Angikhulumi ngepenalty. I'm talking about the open game. So they don't have those type of players that can manage the game for them. Squad sabo abanayo leyo nto abakwazi manage a game, honestly, because each and every team jobusho they might start steam putting the pressure in the opposition, ukuba that arrogant and character and ufaka pressure also After that, mabaceda ukuthola goal, they can't manage the game. Now, Baba mispassa, I mean, giving away, but defender very wrong. Now, Makesi is totally confident ukuthi we can beat Kaizer Chiefs because Makesi what they do, in Tabanza, they bona, the Babego Msadida, Babega this guy Spanyonda, Babega also Chudi, and then Uvana Biasondel. And then they put Chiefs under pressure. Now, Chiefs can't play the back. And then if Umabuya, Pela does not put over Kaizer Chiefs if Umabuya fail. And I think that's why I think Coach Kube now this thing with the eliminate some of the players I think are bringing also to meet defensive midfielders to try and stop these guys because they're gonna believe Magui Wanwa they can get a goal in technical issues. But honestly speaking, I think Chiefs they deserve these guys, they are poor, honestly. And Babugele Ibon Temen City. Structures are almost similar the same. Tactically poor, honestly. How they defend vulnerable move I mean
Sure.
Omunyu no value offside, they push some, they sitting it's very defensive midfield all over. I mean very, very, very disappointing. But Chiefs well done to them for winning the game in a row. And yeah, I think deserving it again. Another game Chiefs that they deserve. Yeah, well done.
Nice one. Thank you very much. That's Kaizer Chiefs beating Magesi in the Kingdom of KwaZulu, Tegwin at the Moses Mabhida Stadium. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. They move on then. Of course, we're going to the international break tomorrow. It's Orlando Pirates, TS Galaxy at 3:30. Orlando Pirates, if they win, they're number one. If they drop points, it will be doom, really, if they look at the title challenge. Sundowns will wrap up what they started in South Africa. They will wrap it up in Mali. They will win. They're already 3-0 up. And then we'll find out whether they play Al Ahly in the semi-final or Esperance. Those teams are playing tonight at 9 p.m. It is KTV, it is Times. What's sweating?
Hola Bafetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They're back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.